Hello and welcome to this Photoshop on-demand tutorial. This is video 1 where we will get to know the workspace. We will learn how to import images, we will look at shortcuts, and then we will look at tabs and their purposes. So to start, to import images, there are a few options. You can either do Open in the top left and then select your document, or you can go to New File. When you select New File, you'll get the default Photoshop size. You can change the width and height as you please. So then when we do a new file, just a blank canvas will show up. So to import our image, we will go to File, and then we can either place embedded or place linked. There is a difference between the two. If you place embedded, then your image is within the file. It is part of the file. If you place it linked, then it is associated with your Photoshop file, but it is not actually inside of it. So if you were to edit your photo outside of Photoshop and then open it again in Photoshop, it would be edited. But if you had an embedded file in Photoshop and changed it somewhere else, it would not update. I usually just pick Place Embedded. And then we'll select our image. And here it is. We will have to do some adjusting to make it fit on the canvas. I can just click and drag, and then I will hold Shift and hold this white square at the bottom, click and drag. And then that is good. I will select Commit at the bottom. As with any program, there are important shortcuts you can use. To undo something, you can do Ctrl-Z. To redo something, you can do Ctrl-Shift-Z. If you would like to copy something, Ctrl-C, and to paste it, Ctrl-V. To save quickly, you can do Ctrl-S, or you can just go to File, Save. To fit the image in your window, use Ctrl and 1. If you'd like to pan around the image without moving it, you can hold the space bar and then click and drag. And then there are some important tabs that you might use a lot. Under Image, you can make adjustments to your photo. You can change the hue and saturation, for example, to change the colors of your image. You can change a lot of things, like making your image black and white. And then under Filter, there is a filter gallery where you can apply different filters, like a colored pencil filter, maybe a sponge filter, brush strokes, etc. Under View, there are different ways to interact and view your image. You can go change. Under View, you can change how you are viewing your image. You can go to Guides. Maybe you want some rulers, things like that. And then finally, under Window, there are a bunch of different windows you can use. For example, if I wanted brushes, I would select that and a brushes window would pop up. So if I were drawing, I could quickly use this window. And this is the end of our video 1 on-demand Photoshop tutorial, where we learned how to import images, use shortcuts, and use tabs. Thank you for watching.